So this is Bagnold Solar Compass, and even in the UK we've got just about enough sunshine to use it today. So the first thing you need is your azimuth tables, and you need to calculate your azimuth based on the position and time to where you are. So it's here, it's 110. You need to work out your adjustments. I'll put instructions for that on the page when you've done that. So the azimuth today is about 107 degrees at the moment. So we turn our azimuth ring to 90 here, 100, 110, 107, so about there. And then we set the direction arrow in the direction we want to travel. So let's say we want to travel due north, that's 0 degrees. And then you rotate the compass until your direction of travel matches the shadow. And then you can see that's pretty much due north.